Hello, it's Martin, the inventor and the builder of the revolutionary Oriental rug cleaning, especially from urine odor. If you have a dog or a cat and you try all the cleaning process in the market, even in your neighborhood, in California, in Houston, Texas, North Carolina, it doesn't matter. And you receive the rug back from your Oriental rug cleaner and it still smells from urine odor. Allow me to show you a revolutionary cleaning process that's using the Dead Sea Cleaner. Natural, organic, eatable cleaning product that will never deposit any unpleasant smell into the Oriental rug fiber. Never. And guarantee in writing. Look at my review on Google and you believe in every word that I said, it's true. Every fiber will be washed completely, thoroughly. And I guarantee in writing, color will never run because I invented this cleaning process and I take a lot of pride of it. It's a revolutionary cleaning Oriental rug that's provide to you peace of mind. Cleaning Oriental rug without the scrubber, the squeezy, steam cleaning, dry cleaning, chemicals, enzyme. You already tried all of this cleaning product at your home, the enzyme and the deodorizer, without any success. So sending your Oriental rug to another guy that will put more chemicals into your Oriental rug, this is not an answer that you're looking for. So if you're having a beautiful Oriental rug like this on the floor and you're looking to remove the urine odor completely, fold the rug the right way. You can see at the end of the video how to fold the rug for shipping. And I'd be glad to schedule UPS or FedEx to come to your door and pick up the Oriental rug. PetPeePee. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Thank you.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Folding Oriental rug for shipping. Take a look. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face the ceiling. This is very important so the folding of the rug is not going to leave any creasing or bending. Do not use tape on the rug. Put it in a big garbage bag, the heavy duty. Put it in 2 of them and put the duct tape, any type of good tape around the plastic bag. Measure the package and text us the measurement with your full information, email, phone number, and your address, and we will email you the UPS or FedEx label to your computer. If you cannot deliver the package to UPS store, we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick up the package. The minute that we receive your package, we notified you right away, and even we will send you pictures how we clean your rug. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing no trace of urine odor by cleaning and removing the urine odor using the Dead Sea Cleaner.